Hello, dear students. Today we are going to practice how to write an analytical paragraph on the basis of given table. Okay, so here you can see here is a table that is showing the internet activities by age groups. So the question is the following table shows details about the internet activities for 6 categories for different age groups. Okay, so this table is showing details about the internet activities and total 6 categories have been given: get news, online games, watching videos, product research, buying a product, social media. And then for different age groups have been given, such as teens, 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s and 70s. So write an analytical paragraph for the table given in about 120 words. So here what we are to do, we are to write an analytical paragraph on the basis of this table. First of all, just try to analyze what actually the table is telling us. First of all, note down the main points that here what is it? It is a table, and what is it showing? It is showing the details about internet activities. In how many categories? 6 categories and for different age groups. So our introductory line that would be the same as given in the question. Now see, get news 70%, 78%, 75, 71 and then 70, almost same in all the age groups. Okay, so that means all age groups use internet to get news in almost same percentage. Next is online games. You can see online games is more popular among teens, that is 85%, and it is least popular among the people those who are in 70s, that is only 20%. Once again, watching videos and reels, this is also following the same trend, 78% in teens and 25% in 17s, and it is like decreasing with the increasing age. Okay, next see the next point, that is product research. It is zero among teens, that means no teen is using internet for product research. And then 68%, 80%, 83, 79, 70 and 67%. This is again more popular among the people those who are in 30s and 40s, and least popular in those who are in 70s. Next one is buying a product. This is also most popular among the people those who are in 70s. Okay, and in teens and adult people this is almost same. Then social media. Once again, social media is also very popular among teens and least popular among elderly people. So first of all, choose the categories that those are common among means those are common and most popular among younger people. So that is like online games, watching reels and social media. And the vice versa is product research. Okay, so and apart from that, if we talk about buying a product, this is almost this is very most popular in the people those who are in 30s, not among younger people and not among the elderly people. Okay, so now on the basis of this analyze, we are to write a paragraph, means what we have observed we are to write it in the form of a paragraph and not more than about in 120 words. Okay, 120 words, that is the prescribed word limit. Now, and what is the conclusion? So on the basis of this table we have to derive a conclusion as well. Okay, that younger people they use internet more for social media and the games and all that, or entertainment purpose, and elderly people they use internet for research and for improvement for their personality development. Okay, so now how to write this paragraph, let us see this. So here is the paragraph, you can see the question here. Okay, so same question is here. Now how to write the paragraph? First of all, the same line have been copied here. The table, only the following has been deleted. The table shows details about the internet activities for 6 categories for different age groups. Okay, so this is our introductory line, introduction. It is evident that younger people are more involved in entertainment and social activities. So, online games, watching videos and reels, these are these two are categories that is for entertainment. So this is most popular among younger people. So how means how would we say it? It is evident or it is clearly shown that younger people are more involved in entertainment and social activities, while older individuals use the internet mainly for information and product related purpose. Okay, so the elderly people, those who are like older in age, they use internet mainly for getting some informations and product related purpose. Now we have to means only elaborate this statement, okay, how it can be shared here. So social media usage is highest among people in their 20s, that is 88%, and gradually declines. Social media, so here it is, social media, this is the most popular among teens or those who are in their 20s, and it gradually decreases, right? Then 88, then 82, 78, 65, 65, 35. It gradually decreases, okay, and gradually declines with age, reaching only 35%, only 35% among those in their 70s. Next, similarly, online games and watching videos, they also follow the same trend. Similarly, online gaming is most popular among teens, that is 85%, but least among the elderly, only 20%. Okay, so here it is, online games 85% and it is 20%. Now, watching videos and reels. Watching videos or reels also follows a similar trend. That means it is also like declining or it also declines with the age. That means it is most popular among younger people and least popular among elder people. However, if we talk about product research and online shopping, show the opposite pattern. This is opposite. This is most popular among elderly people and least popular among younger people. Peaking in the 40s. This is on peak, means highest is in the people those who are in 40s, 83% and 68% respectively. In this sentence we are talking about two categories, product research and online shopping. See, here it is, product research and online shopping, where it is buying a product. Okay, so this is, you can see which one is the highest. So here it is 70%. Buying a product is most popular among the people those who are in 30s, that is 70%, and product research is in 40s, that is 83%. Then getting news remains consistent across all ages groups. See, in getting news, if we talk about this category, 70%, 78, 75, 71, 74, 75, 70. Not a drastic change is there, not a drastic variation is there. Okay, this is almost same. This is almost same in all the age groups. So getting news remains consistent across all age groups, around 70 to 78%. Now this was the body of the paragraph, and now moving on to the conclusion line. So overall, the data shows that entertainment dominates youth usage. Okay, among youth, entertainment dominates, means people use more internet for entertainment purpose, while practical and informational activities appeal to older generations. Okay, so this is our conclusion, that these two categories are more popular among older generations, and entertainment and social media, these are most popular among younger people. So in this way we are to write this analytical paragraph. So I hope this is very much clear to you, how to observe data, how to analyze it, and how to convert it into the form of a paragraph. Okay, so that's all for today's video. See you in the next video. All the best for your exams.